Contemporary Turkish includes Ottoman Turkish loanwords, mostly of Persian and French, but also Arabic, Greek, and Italian origin, which were officially replaced with their Turkish counterparts suggested by the Turkish Language Association. Turkish, Türk Dil Kurumu, TDK, as a part of the cultural reforms, in the broader framework of Atatürk's reforms, following the foundation of Republic of Turkey. The TDK, established by Atatürk in 1932 in order to conduct research on the Turkish language, also undertook the initiative to replace only Arabic loanwords with their Turkish counterparts. The association succeeded in removing several hundred Arabic words from the language. While most of the words introduced into the language in this process were newly derived from existing Turkish verbal roots, TDK also suggested using Old Turkish words which had not been used in the language for centuries, like yanıt, birey, gözgü. Some words were used before language reform too, but they were used much less than the Persian ones. Some words were taken from rural areas, but most of them had different meanings, like ürün. Mongolian also played an important role too, because Mongolian preserved the Old Turkic borrowings, such as ulus and cag. There are generational differences in vocabulary preference. While those born before the 1940s tend to use the Old Arabic origin words, even the obsolete ones, younger generations commonly use the newer expressions. Some new words have not been widely adopted, in part because they fail to convey the intrinsic meanings of their old equivalents. Many new words have taken up somewhat different meanings, and cannot necessarily be used interchangeably with their old counterpart. Many of the loanwords, especially the Arabic, Persian and French ones, are still widely used today, though decreasing in tendency. Conjugations and implications of word choice. Historically, Arabic was the language of the mosque and Persian was the language of education. Its deliberate usage, eschewing the usage of a Western word, often implies romanticism or a religious subtext, respectively. Similarly, the use of European words may be favored to impart a perceived modern character. The use of pure Turkic words may be employed as an expression of nationalism or as a linguistic simplification. Origin of the words in Turkish vocabulary. The 2005 edition of Güncel Türkçe Sözlük, the official dictionary of the Turkish language published by Turkish Language Association, contains 104,481 words, of which about 86% are Turkish and 14% are of foreign origin. Among the most significant foreign contributors to Turkish vocabulary are Persian, French, Italian, English, and Greek. Word derivations. Most of the new Turkish words are derived from other words with thematic suffixes. For example, bat is the root of the verb batmak, which means to sink or to set. The derived word bati means west or the cardinal direction in which the sun sinks. Another example would be aylık, which means salary, as well as monthly. This is derived from the word ay, which means moon, month. Here are some other examples of derivations. Gün means day, günce means agenda. Güncel means current. Gündem means current events and news. Güncellemek means to update. Güney means state. Güney means south. Gündüz means sun. Günlük means diary or daily. Gündüz means daytime, opposite of night or morning. Kes is the root of the verb to cut. Kesi means incision. Kesici means cutter. Kesin means accurate. Kesinlikle means definitely. Kesinleşmek means to become definite. Kesinsizlik means the state of indefinity. Keskinmek means to pretend to hit with a hand motion. Kesmeche is a saying that means the agreement of cutting a fruit before buying it. Kesa means adds. Keshiklik means sudden feeling of tiredness, lethargy. Kezelmek means to act like something. Kesir means fraction. Keserli means fractional. Kesat means cross-section. Keski means chisel. Keskin means sharp. Keskinlik means acuity and sharpness. Kesem means segment. Kesimlik means animal or tree, fit or ready to be slaughtered, cut. Kesinti means interruption. Kesintili means on and off. Kesintesis means uninterrupted and seamless. Kesmi means an object cut in the form of a geometrical shape. Kestirmi means shortcut. Keshik means interrupted. Kestirmek means to forecast and to nap. Kestirim means guess. Kesin means a line that intersects a geometrical entity. Kesinek means deduction. Kesismek means to intersect. Kesisim means intersection. Sap is the root of the verb to deviate. Sapik means pervert. Sapak means turn, as in roads, traffic. Dwi is the root of the verb to hear, to feel. Duyu means sensory. Duyali means sensitive. Duyalalik means sensitivity. Duigu means feeling. Duyaga, see, means sensor. Duyagan means allergen. Duyaka means allergy. Duyum means hearsay. Duyumzamaslik means apathy. Yet is the root of the verb to suffice. Yeta means sufficient. Yetki means authority. Yetanek means talent. Baska means other. Baskalism means metamorphosis. Tek means single. Tekal means monopoly. Tekjus means monotonous. Ev means home. Evlalik means marriage. Evcil means domestic. Sek is the root of the verb to choose. Sesenek means choice. Second means elite. Sesim means election. Duz is the root of the verb to fall. Dusuk means miscarriage. Sur is the root of the verb to last, to put forward. Shoragan means chronic. Suram means version. Yaz is the root of the verb to write. Yazar means writer. Yazgi means fate. Yazalom means software. Yazanak means report. Yazim means inscription. Yazman means secretary. Yazici means printer. Yazan means literature. Yazam means orthography. Yazisma means correspondence. Yazdirim means dictation. Ver is the root of the verb to give. Veri means data. Vergi means tax. Verum means efficiency. Oz means self. Real. Ozal means special. Ozan means attention. Ozgu means peculiar. Ozgal means specific. Oj means other. Osna means subject. Ozgun means original. Ozgur means free. Ozumlami means assimilation. Osnal means subjective. The verb ozal, meaning to miss, to long for, is also derived from this word. An oslim is a noun that means longing. Some of the Turkish words are also compound words, such as basvuru means application. It is derived from bas, meaning head, and vuru, meaning hitting. So the literal English translation of this compound word would be head hitting. Ayuk means foot, and kap means peel. And the compound word ayakkabı means shoe. Ana means mane, and yasa means law. And the compound word anayasa means constitution. Oz means self, and veri means giving. And the compound word ozaveri means altruism, self-sacrifice. Bayat means big, and elchi means messenger. And the compound word büyükelçi means ambassador. Kesim means cutting. Ev means house. And kesim evi means slaughterhouse. For more information, See the related article. Turkish vocabulary. Lists of replaced loanwords. Loanwords of Arabic origin. The list gives the Ottoman Turkish word, the modern speaking of the word in Turkish, as suggested by TDK, the modern Turkish equivalent, and its meaning in English. Arabs also used the following words as loanwords for the language. Asterisk old words that are still used in modern Turkish together with their new Turkish counterparts. Asterisk asterisk new words that are not as frequently used as the old words. Loanwords of French origin. The French words started to infiltrate the Turkish language in the 1800s, when the administrative reforms, Tanzimat, started taking place in the Ottoman Empire. The extent of French influence was so much that the number of French loanwords was close to 5,000. Most of the French loanwords are still widely used in today's Turkish. Asterisk words that are still used in modern Turkish together with their new Turkish counterparts. Loanwords of Persian origin. The list gives the Ottoman Turkish word, the modern speaking of the word in Turkish, as suggested by TDK, the modern Turkish equivalent, and its meaning in English. Most of the original Persian words are still widely used in modern Turkish. In fact, there are over 1,500 Persian words in Turkish. However, for many of the Persian words, unlike Arabic words, there is no TDK prescribed equivalent. TDK did not put as much effort into replacing Persian words as it did for Arabic words, largely because the Persian words were better assimilated into the language. Arabic language and culture is generally perceived by Turks to be more foreign than Persian language and culture, which had a native presence in Anatolia since the time of the Achaemenids, and was patronized for millennia afterwards by other dynasties with a presence in Anatolia such as the Sasanians, Seleucids, Seljuks, Sultanate of Rum, and lastly, the Ottomans, amongst others. Asterisk new words that are not as frequently used as the old words. Loanwords of other origin. Asterisk words that are still used in modern Turkish together with their new Turkish counterparts. See also, list of French loanwords in Persian. Notes. Sources. Yazım Kılavuzu. The official spelling guide of the Turkish language on TDK website.